Are you guys ready to dive into another phone review? Introducing the realme GT60. Here in Malaysia, we get the realme GT60, which I can say is better version or an upgrade version of this realme GT60. But you know what? I experienced playing with this realme GT60 first before the realme GT6, and all I can say, this is already a really nice phone and perhaps one of my preferred mid-range phone that I already tested this year. What makes it special? Number one, its powerful Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chipset. I know it is a mid-range chipset, but why I say it is powerful? Because the experience it provides really redefines all the latest mid-range chipset performance. I have no problem to run all the apps I used to run on my other flagship smartphones smoothly. Multitasking between apps are effortless and apps launch in blazing fast. I use my phone a lot for my productivity work as well, such as creating content that involve video recording and editing on the go. So if you ask me whether I miss anything offered by a flagship chipset when doing all this in this realme GT60, well, the answer is no. Then how about gaming? In my short testing with few modern popular games like Mobile Legends, PUBG, and even Genshin Impact, realme GT60 has no problem to perform as expected, all with high frame rate as well. I can speak for hardcore gamers since I'm not a one, but realme GT60 has one trick to enhance gaming performance. Let me show you. When you open game, the gaming engine will turn on, so I highly recommend you to fully utilize the feature and activate the GT mode to boost performance. So this will not just let the phone feels more responsive during intense battle, it also allows you to play games without any unwanted interruptions. So gamers, now you have another good and recommended phone to consider too. But what about display? It's an important aspect for gamers or for a good phone for sure. And for me, Realme got it alright with GT60 display as well. It boasts a massive 6.78-inch OLED display in Full HD Plus resolution that is perfect for immersive gaming, movie marathon, and web browsing. It also uses 8 LTPO technology that allows a dynamic refresh rate from 1 Hz for static content to 120 Hz for games. This keeping things smooth and ensure battery life is efficient as well. But the thing I like the most is the screen ability to adjust the brightness via its smart dimming system. Realme GT60 supports DC dimming that gives a natural look, and it even supports up to 6000 nits peak brightness, which is really brilliant and makes the display viewable under the harsh sunlight. But when you are in a low light conditions, the display will dim down to below 70 nits, and it switches to a super fast 2160 Hz PWM dimming, reducing flicker and potential eye strain. This keeps my eyes happy, especially when using the phone in the bed before sleep. Next, let's talk about the battery life and charging capabilities. Realme GT60 features a large 5500 battery and intelligent power saving features. Let me tell you some impressive real-world performance shared by Realme GT60 that I 100% concur. For multimedia users, a full charge allows you to an over 80 hours on Spotify sessions YouTube marathon for around 24 hours. Then how about who loves to stay connected? You can engage in voice calls for 46 hours non-stop. Then you can still enjoy extended WhatsApp chats or other social interaction with around 25 hours of messaging your friends and loved ones. That is seriously lots of stories to tell. Oh wait, you are a gamers? Well, you can be in PUBG Mobile Battle for near to 8 hours before the battery runs out. Of course, I never tried this out, but in my daily usage, I able to get around 8 hours screen on time without any problems, so the battery is truly impressive. For charging capabilities, it comes with super fast 120-watt SuperVOOC charging and a GAN charger in the box, which is really handy. And you know how fast it is? To charge from 1% to 50%, it takes just roughly around 10 minutes. Throughout my testing with Realme GT60, I never feel battery anxiety issue just like I used to, especially when using much longer battery flagship smartphone. By the way, one of the reasons I think battery life is so good while maintaining good performance is the advanced cooling system this Realme GT60 has. Inside, it has multi-layer iceberg vapor cooling system that combines a massive 3D tempered dual vapor chamber with an optimized 9 layers cooling structure, maximizing heat dissipation and combats heat build-up effectively. So what do you think about this realme GT60? If you happen to live near anywhere you can find this realme GT60, what I can say is just go for it.